Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to BosskuDAO. I'm your host JD. In last video, I mentioned that 90,500 is a very key level for the Bitcoin, and last week we have the 90,500 to break and having the dip down to the 80,100. So like I said, I will add more position for this Bitcoin trade, and let's see what is going on right now. If you take a look in the week chart, we're having a nice candle. They're having a almost 10%, but getting rejecting of 4%, 3.5, something like that of the rejecting for the week chart, but still is a very pretty bearish candle, so nothing for us to worry about for doing the short trade. And we take a look in the smaller time frame. Last week when the FOMC news released, Bitcoin having a first pump to break the almost 20,000, but getting rejecting in the next 30 minutes. And we can see this is a very messy zone. After having this messy zone, the Bitcoin eventually going back and having the dip in the recent month. So you can see this is a 80,116. We got a deep Bitcoin dump after the FOMC news release. Like I mentioned in my last video, I expecting the price will going the trend after the FOMC release. So this is what it happened, but we could see this is a very clean bull trap happen in the FOMC, but eventually we will continue with the trend and down to the bottom. And this is where I am having my trade adding more position. Is I saw a sideways like this. After this very clean structure break, okay, we got the bull structure over here, and we have a smaller sideways and have a clean break. So this is where I adding my position for the long-term short trade. After that, we have a very nice to the bottom and have a rejecting back to my entry again. So that week was a very boring week that we having the price all stuck together with a very candle. And today we got a very interesting thing. After today market open, it's a Monday, we have a bull trade, a lot of bull volume touching again with the point that I entry after the structure break and having a nice rejecting right now. So this becoming a clearly bull trade that happen in the short term time. Every time if we see something like this happen, a bull trade happen, it might have another big move will coming soon. Let's take a look in the 4-hour chart. You can see the 4-hour chart. This rejecting is very crazy. It just happened in the 4 hours. And we have a few 4-hour candle that have a lot of rejecting in the bottom here. So what am I expecting right now? I'm expecting the price can once breaking this all zone that very dangerous for us to doing any decision and break below 80,500. I assume this will happen in this week, maybe tonight or tomorrow, in a very quick time, because we can see we're having a clearly bull trap that happened in today after the market open. So right now is get into the New York session. We can see the New York session have a lot of the volume coming or not, and my stop will be the 90,500. If the price eventually come back this, I will closing 100% of my short position and wait for the next chance. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please click a like below. A small share version will motivate me to bring more best content for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out any new content. See you guys in the next video. Salut. Bye bye.